This segment will demonstrate some safety, operation, and maintenance procedures for your new Agri-Fab 50-pound push spreader. Read the information on the chemical package instructions and cautions on handling and applying. Wear eye and hand protection when handling and when applying lawn or garden chemicals. Never allow children to operate the spreader. Do not use powdered lawn chemicals. They do not give satisfactory or consistent broadcast patterns. Estimate the size of the area to be covered and calculate the amount of material required. Make sure the control lever is in the off position. For an even frontal distribution pattern, move the door slide towards the outside of the spreader. To spread materials to the side, move the door slide towards the inside of the spreader. Fill the hopper, breaking up any lumpy fertilizer. Start the spreader in motion and then move the control lever to your desired flow setting. Always move the control lever to the off position before turning or stopping. To ensure uniform coverage, make each pass so that the broadcast pattern slightly overlaps the pattern from the previous pass. For rectangular areas, make 2 passes across the short ends to create turning areas. For non-rectangular areas, make 2 passes around the entire border. When broadcasting weed control fertilizers, make sure the broadcast pattern does not hit evergreen trees, flowers, or shrubs. Before each use, make a thorough visual check of the spreader for any fasteners which may have loosened. Secure any loose fasteners. Empty the spreader after each use, storing the leftover material in its original bag. Rinse the inside of the hopper and the exterior of the spreader and dry off before storing. Store in a clean, dry area. Congratulations! Your new Agri-Fab 50-pound push spreader is now fully assembled and ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, please call Agri-Fab at 1-800-448-9282 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Or visit www.speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. Agri-Fab. Lawn care made easy.